Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tutor here, and let's talk phone photography. Whether you're a casual snapper or an aspiring Instagram influencer, there's always room to improve your skills. These days, our phones are crazy powerful, right? With each new model, the camera technology just keeps getting better and better. We're talking professional level cameras in our pockets. You don't need a bulky DSLR to take amazing photos anymore. But how do you unlock that potential? It's not just about having a good camera, it's about knowing how to use it. How do you go from average pics to stunning shots? It's all about technique and a little bit of know-how. Don't worry, I got you. We're going to break it all down step by step. We're diving deep into smartphone photography, and trust me, it's easier than you think. We're breaking down lighting, composition, focusing, even some light editing. You'll learn how to make the most out of every shot. By the end, you'll be framing shots like a pro and capturing those Instagram-worthy moments. Imagine impressing your friends and followers with your newfound skills. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. It's all about making the most of what you have. So grab your phone, let's do this. Get ready to take your smartphone photography to the next level. Let's make every shot count. Lighting is everything in photography. Good news is, you don't need fancy studio setups. Natural light is your best friend. Ever heard of golden hour? It's that magical time right after sunrise and before sunset when the light is soft and warm. Perfect for portraits and landscapes. Harsh midday sun? Not ideal. It creates harsh shadows. Try finding some shade or use a diffuser, like a thin white cloth to soften the light. Believe me, it makes a huge difference. Composition is how we arrange elements in a photo. It's the art of placing subjects and objects in a way that tells a story or evokes emotion. It's what makes a photo interesting and engaging. A well-composed photo can capture attention and hold it, making the viewer want to explore every detail. One classic rule is the rule of thirds. This technique helps create a balanced and dynamic composition. Imagine your screen divided into 9 equal parts, like a tic-tac-toe grid. This grid helps guide where to place your subject. Place your subject along those lines or at the intersections for a more balanced and pleasing composition. This can make your photo more visually appealing and professional. Symmetry is your friend too. Symmetrical compositions can create a sense of order and harmony in your photos. Find lines that create a sense of balance and harmony. These lines can guide the viewer's eye through the photo, making it more engaging. Leading lines like roads or fences can draw the viewer's eye into the photo. They create a path for the viewer to follow, adding depth and interest. Play around, experiment, and see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and break the rules. Sometimes the most interesting photos come from unexpected compositions. Happy shooting. Section 4. Take control, focus, and exposure. Don't just rely on your phone's auto mode. Take control. Most smartphones let you tap to focus. This also sets the exposure, how bright or dark the image is. Want a brighter image? Slide your finger up after tapping to focus. Darker image? Slide down. Playing with focus can create amazing effects. Try tapping on a nearby object to create a shallow depth of field, blurring the background and making your subject pop. Section 5. Edit like a boss, the easy way. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to edit your photos like a pro, without breaking a sweat. Editing is like adding the finishing touches to a masterpiece. It's where your creativity truly shines. You don't need fancy software or expensive tools to make your photos look amazing. Your phone's built-in editor or free apps like Snapseed or Lightroom Mobile are super powerful. These tools offer a range of features that can transform your photos. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your photos pop. These simple tweaks can make a huge difference. But remember, don't go overboard. Subtle enhancements are key to maintaining a natural look. And hey, a little cropping can do wonders to improve composition. It helps to focus on the subject and remove any distractions. Remember, editing should enhance, not replace, a good photo. The goal is to bring out the best in your shots, not to create something entirely new. Now get out there and start shooting. The more you practice, the better you'll get at capturing and editing stunning photos. You got this. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. Peace.